have today I will explain how to write test cases. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click on subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Test cases normally we would write in Excel sheet, or we will use in some companies we will use different tools also, but everywhere writing methods are same. So now I will show in Excel sheet. These are the main fields while writing the test cases. So test case ID, if we are writing functional test cases, then we can keep like FTC 01, FTC 02, like that. If it is validation test cases, then we will write VTC 01, VTC 02, like that. Otherwise we can keep, normally we can keep 01, 02, like that also we can keep. This is just a ID, just to recognize that test case number, that's it. So next to this test case, test objective is important. In this test objective, what we are testing in this test case, exactly what we are testing in this test case, that we will mention in this test case. Like if we are testing WhatsApp application, then if you consider WhatsApp, so in WhatsApp there are many modules. Starting when after installing, we need to enter OTP, then it will log in. Okay, after logging in, there are many modules, like sending messages to other people, that is one module. And there is another option is there, status, that is another module. Then there is currently they introduced another module, that is community, that is also another module. So to test these different modules, we can create different test cases. Like see, in this sheet I will rename as onboarding. Onboarding means starting when we will install the app and we will log in, that is called onboarding. Then sending our message part, sending messages to other people, that is one part, that is one module we can consider. Then status, that is another module, status. Then community, that is one module. Then settings, that is another module, settings. Then other options are there. For that also we can create separate different modules, like we can keep others means like blocking the contacts, those and all options are there. So for those we can keep different modules. Like in this onboarding, we can write only onboarding test cases. Messages, only message related test cases we can write. Status, uploading the status or deleting the status, that kind of test cases we can write. Like it's only different modules we can segregate, and in these modules we will write that corresponding test cases we will write. So if we consider onboarding, so we can write one test case like to verify whether we are able to onboard the WhatsApp application. We can write like this one test case. In this objective, just we are checking we are able to onboard or not, successfully onboard or not, just we are checking that one. Description we can write how we are testing this, that also we can write. Test description, to test this objective, what and all we will do, that we will write here. Like to test this case, first we will install application, then we will enter mobile number, we can write in detail. We will enter mobile number, then we will get, then we will click on next button, we will enter the OTP received, click next. These are the steps we will write. Precondition, there is no precondition in this test case. So expected result after doing this one, so user should be onboarded successfully, and WhatsApp messaging screen or dashboard we can mention, or better dashboard we can mention. Dashboard means all the options it will display, message, status, those options that will be displayed. Okay, so this one pass fail, after testing this test case we will write, if we are getting this result, then we will write pass like this. If we are not getting, we will write fail. Okay, if it is not tested, if this test case is not tested, then in that case we will write not tested. Okay, so like this. So come in comments, if it is pass, we will write NA. If this test case is failed, then we will raise the defect, and the defect ID we will mention here. Some defect ID we will mention. We will raise that defect in some tools like Bugzilla or Jira, somewhere we will raise. Then that defect ID we will mention. And if this test case is not tested, then in that case why we are not tested. If something is not working, backend is not working, some problem is there, if we don't have data or something, then what is the reason why we have not tested this test case, that we will mention in this comment. Okay, this is the test case, actual test case. So like this only we will write the test cases. I formatted this one, just select all, right click, format cells. If you go like this, here I selected center, top, wrap text I selected, then it will come to one alignment. Now this precondition, before executing this test case, if anything we need to execute, then we need to execute this test case. At that time we will write that precondition. Okay, so if we need to execute this test case, something we need to execute before, then only we can execute this test case. In that type of situation, we will write that precondition, what we need to execute first, that we will write here, then we will write the actual test case here. So for that we will tell preconditions. So like this only we will write the test cases. So then like this only, this is a success case, onboarding success case. First we will write success case, we will write, then we will write error cases. failure cases we will write. So in this case, so first we will after installing, it will give mobile number uh, text box. So in that text box, if we enter invalid mobile number, what will happen? That case we can write here, it like whether we are able to onboard when we enter invalid mobile number, invalid mobile number. If we enter invalid mobile number, so this description and all we can write something. So in expected result we will write we should receive error message some error message which is there in our requirement documents, that we will mention here. Error message like please enter valid mobile number, please enter valid mobile number. So like this we will write. This is the error case. Then again after entering a valid mobile number, it will go to next page. There it will ask OTP. So third case we can write same like this, we can write invalid OTP. This case only we can edit. So here we can write to verify whether we are able to onboard when we enter invalid OTP. If we enter, what will happen? Then in fourth case we can write invalid OTP second time also invalid OTP. Second time if we enter invalid OTP, what error we will get? Third time invalid OTP. If we enter, what will happen? Okay, normally third time if we enter invalid OTP, we will get a message like you are blocked for some time, blocked for some time, so please try after some time. Some error we will get, please try after some time, like this some error we will get. That case we need to test. After this also, after blocking, okay, once user is blocked, after that also if we try to log in, means fourth time, after blocking user, if we try to log in, then what will happen? Okay, you are blocked sometimes, so you are blocked or some error, different error we will get. Okay, some different error we may get, that also we need to check. Like this different cases we need to, different error cases we need to check. Fourth one, like here invalid OTP we checked. Okay, after entering one invalid OTP one time, so second time if we enter valid OTP, okay, first we will enter invalid OTP, then second time we will enter valid OTP. At that time we should be able to log in, right? Means we should be able to go to dashboard should be displayed, correct, because we are entering valid OTP second time. So in this case precondition we need to write. So first time try to log in with invalid invalid OTP. That is the precondition. Correct. Here we will write precondition. First time if we try to we need to try to log in with invalid OTP. Then second time we will enter valid OTP. So at that time dashboard should be displayed. So this is the precondition. First time try to log in with invalid OTP. Okay. So whenever precondition is there, it's better to highlight that one. Okay, it's better to highlight, because normally we will start writing the test case from here. Okay, so we will not concentrate much on this precondition. So if we highlight this one, precondition means if we make it bold, then first we will see this one, then we will see this one. Okay, so it's better to highlight this one. See, we will get OTP for our mobile number. So if we there will be specific time around 2 minutes or 1 minute. Within that time we should enter the OTP. Okay, after that it will be expired. Correct. So we should enter OTP after that expiry. So valid OTP, that OTP number is valid, but it is expired. After 1 minute we will enter. So if we enter expired OTP, what will happen? We should get error. Okay, expected result we should write like we should get proper error message. That error message we should write. Okay, OTP is expired. Okay, please try again, like that. Okay, so this is one case. Then if we send OTP, we will be having option to resend the OTP again. Correct. So if OTP is expired, then we can resend the OTP. There one option will be there, resend. So if we click on resend, again user will get the OTP. So user here another case, like user is able to resend the OTP or not, and login, resend the OTP, and after resending that OTP will get, no, using that he should be able to log in. That in this case user should get success, means user should be able to log in, means dashboard should be displayed after login. Correct. In this precondition, like once OTP should be expired. Correct. Once OTP should be expired, or once OTP should be sent, then he should click on resend button. Okay, so resending also there will be 2 or 3 times he can resend OTP. Again if he try to resend more than 5 times, 4 times, then there also he may get error. That case also we need to check. Okay, like if in requirement document, if they mentioned like maximum 3 times he can resend the OTP. Okay, so 3 times he should be verifying whether 3 times OTP is able to resend or not. Okay, 3 times he should be able to resend OTP and login. Okay, and login. Three times also he should be able to resend OTP and he should be able to log in. Okay, in this case, in all these 3 times dashboard should be displayed. Correct. Then in fourth time again another case, fourth time verifying, verify fourth time he is able to resend OTP or not. Okay, So in this fourth time you should get error like OTP can't be present fourth time, like this some error he should get. Okay, like this we need to write scenarios. Okay, so all these scenarios we need to write in this format to verify whether we are able to like this. If you write, it's good, but normally just I wrote now like this, okay, shortly. So we need to write like this to verify whether we are able to. If we write like that, it's good. Okay, so like this only for different modules like messages, status. Okay, if we come to messages, we can write one success case like verify whether we are able to send message, one person is able to send message to other person or not. Okay, one message he should be able to send. Okay, so that he is checking in objective whether he is able to send messages to other person or not. Expected result, he should be able to send messages. Okay, other person, one person should be able to send messages, and other opposite person, he should receive the messages. Okay, that also expected result. Okay, after that messages maximum 250 characters or 300 characters it will be written in requirement document. That much we are able to send or not, we need to check. Exactly 250 characters we will enter in message, then we will try to send. Okay, in that case we should get success. Okay, if we send one letter more than that, like 251 character, if we try to send, in that case we should get error. While sending only we should get error, you can't send these many characters, like that some error we should get. That in that case we need to write like this. Different error cases we can check in messages also. And what and all characters we can send, all the special characters we should be able to send, and smiley we should be able to send, and all the images, those things, and all photo, video, everything we need to check. Okay, for all those cases we need to write sending photo, sending video. Okay, all the special characters. Okay, if we give space, okay, if we give more space, we should be able to send or not. That type of cases and all negative cases we should think and we should write like this. Then status also, in status also if it is bigger video, we will be able to upload or not. If 30 seconds is allowed, how many videos we can upload in status. Okay, there will be some limit like 50 videos or those many videos we are able to upload or not, 50 videos in status. If we try to upload more than that, what will be the result? What error we will get while uploading these and all. First we need to think success cases, then we need to think error cases. Error, what and all error maximum we can think, we need to think and we need to write cases. Okay, these are the test cases. Like this we need to write test cases. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will upload more videos related to these things. Thank you for watching.